The aim of the NRM is not just growth, but transformation, socio-economic transformation. It's now 67% of the homesteads who are in the money economy with some chibaro. 33% are still refusing to join the money economy. Now that especially there's this cap money which is already there in the villages, all the leaders, certainly all the ministers, must take the lead in checking parish by parish what is happening to make sure that all these people stop kukongora, stop cheating us. We work, they don't work. They are there, but they want service. PDM money was being stolen. What is the member of parliament doing? Even the opposition ones, the ones of the NRM, I will struggle with them. But even the opposition ones, as long as you are getting allowance from parliament, and you don't go to check what is happening, this is what I can no longer tolerate. That's why I put in local government some people that people have been saying they are cantankerous, quarrelsome, like Barugahara and Namere. Namere is famous for quarreling, so you go and quarrel with them. So therefore, this budget is no more Kongora. No more Kongora. No, Kongora is when you work and others just lean on the hoe in the village. No more Kulala.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.